Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing my first gaming video with my new recording set. I hope you enjoy this new set I have set up here. I'm playing a game called Dedoxed. Oh, I won. So I played this game earlier. I was filming before, but it was like 30 minutes long, and I didn't want it to be like really long, so yeah. Well, I guess we gotta wait for the intermission to count down to 0. See you guys there. Oh, and by the way, if you don't know how this game works, it's basically Flee the Facility from Roblox, except you know, there's kind of more of like more things in it, you know, it's more challenging. Yeah. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Alright. I'm hoping I get CEO. I probably won't, but I mean, I'm a hacker. Alright. So basically, you just need to escape, just like Flee the Facility. You can hack computers, just like Flee the Facility. First I need to turn on the power. I think we still need to get some more of these. Oh, I gotta do this. Alright. Alright, the power's on. Now, can I hack this yet? Or do we still... Oh, yeah, I thought so. There's a security camera right here. I don't know if that's, like, decoration or it actually, like, works. Now I just gotta find another one. Yep, there it is. Oh. Someone already hacked that. Let me look around. Oh, the person's right there. Wait. What's he doing? Oh, he already has someone. That explains it. Do I need to hack this? Probably not, because, yeah. Well, I'm gonna try and find some. I'll see you guys when I, you know, find something. Okay, I found this here. Oh, I don't need to hack it. Well, it was worth a shot. Alright, I finally found a computer that we can hack. Oh, I gotta do this. Alright. Oh, no, I messed up. There we go. Nope, I'm not paying attention. Sorry. Almost there. Please hurry up. There we go. Yes! Okay. I don't know if that was all the computers. I'm hoping it was. Alright, let's hack this one. Oh, I don't need to. Alright. Let's see here. Let's see what we can find in here. Oh, I just got captured. The CEO was right there. Oh my gosh, that scared me. What are they doing? Do they know how to work it? Yeah, they probably do. They're just probably having some issues. Yeah. Oh man. Oh, this guy just hacked me out. Thanks. Alright, so we gotta like wait. Oh, no. I just saw the CEO. I think they know where we are. I don't know. That was already hacked. Come on. Alright, I gotta run. But there's no run button. Okay, there's the exit. Just gotta get the exit. Come on. Yes! The exit! Yes! We won! That was fun. I'm gonna have to leave it there. I hope you all enjoyed this video. And if you did, you should leave a like and maybe subscribe. Have a good day, and comment below if you think I should make another one of these videos on this game, Dedoxed. Bye.